morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuruche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Business Communication. We were in module number 3. We were discussing about the enquiry letters. We have seen few of the enquiry letters and we have written some enquiry letters also. Today we shall see another enquiry letter about enquiry about sport materials. Here the enquiry about sports materials, we will be writing a letter. The letter will be on letterhead from the Mr. Balakrishna Zadav, Sports Secretary, 15 July 2019, to the proprietor Aurora Sports and Sports Distributors, Ganpat Galli, Belgaum. Dear Sir, subject enquiry about sports materials or sports materials. Here we will start with, I am pleased to inform you that I have been authorized to make enquiries and finalize the supplies for the purchase of sports materials of our college, Gymkhana department. I have also been decided to add many new sports materials and to dispose of many of our old materials. Therefore, on behalf of our college authorities, I request you to send quotations for the supply of all the sports materials of both indoor and outdoor games. We will be ready to give you bulk of our orders if your terms prove to be satisfactory and price to be most competitive to the members of College Gymkhana. We require these materials just in a month, so let us know whether it will be possible for you to supply all our requirements within expected time. We must therefore ask you to state the best terms and a copy of your latest catalog. Thanking you, yours faithfully, signature by the Sports Gymkhana Authority. So in this letter, in first letter we are telling that I am in first paragraph we are telling that I am authorized to take the decisions related to sports materials, and I am telling the brief information about our college, and also I am telling them what are our requirements in the second paragraph, and the order quantity also we are telling, and we are requesting them to give a good price so that our Gymkhana members agree upon, and we are requesting him to deliver the goods within 1 month, and we are asking him to send the catalog and price list as early as possible. So as per the hint, everything we are covered in this enquiry letters. So total 7 enquiry letters we have seen. Now we shall see how the reply to these enquiry letters is to be given, or quotation letters. Here replies or quotation letters are very important, because what happens is, based upon these reply letters or quotations, the customer will purchase the goods or no, will be decided on this replies and quotations. So these replies and quotations should be drafted very carefully with consideration of all the aspects, so that the customer is not left from hand, and also this deal should not be a loss to the company. So with all due considerations, the replies must be written. The replies to enquiry letter are in the form of quotation providing of required information by the prospective suppliers of goods and services. It contains price, terms and conditions of payment and delivery, etc. So here replied letters are those letters which are an reply or answer to the enquiry letter, are in the forms of quotations which will give the information regarding the price, terms and conditions, payment and delivery of the product, etc. So this is known as replies or quotation letter. Here these replies or quotation letters are of various types. That is, 5 types of replies and quotation letters are there. So let us see what are the hints for writing enquiry reply letters. While reply letters, we need to follow certain steps or hints which will make us to draft a very beautiful and interesting reply letter. So here let us see what are these hints. The first hint for writing enquiry letter is thank the party for the interest shown in the product and firm. Firstly, we should thank the customers who are making enquiry and showing interest in our products and in our firm. So we should thank the party who is interested or who is showing interest in our products. So that is the first hint of reply letters. Second is availability of goods enquired is to be stated with all details. Here whatsoever goods or whatsoever quality and quantity enquiry have been made, all those descriptive details are available or no should be checked and should be mentioned whether the stock is available with us or no. Then third hint for writing reply letters is terms and conditions to be stated very clearly. The terms and conditions like place, time, mode of delivery, order payments, discount, transportation and all other settlements should be clear. All the terms and conditions should be mentioned in a clear way. Otherwise, there may be a misunderstanding and the customer may be left out. Then fourth hint for writing enquiry reply letters is period for which the offer is open if special offer. Suppose if we are giving an Deepavali offer, so how many days we are going to give this Deepavali offer? Whether only the day of Deepavali or 3 days, 4 days, whatsoever the thing may be. The offer period or special offer period should be mentioned so that the customer can purchase those products within that period. The next is information about the enclosures of catalog, samples, price list, etc. What all things we are attaching along with this letter, all those details should be given. Whether we are attaching the catalog, whether we are attaching the price list, or if we are sending some samples, what are those samples, we should add and then submit the reply letter. So the required information should be given through enclosures. The next sixth hint for writing reply letters is express your willingness to help the enquirer. We should express our openness and ready to help the enquirer about the product information and other things which are essential for the customer. So we should express that we are willing to supply those products. So willingness should be shown. The next seventh hint is salesman approach should be adopted while writing quotation letter. The way salesman's approach is there to sell the product, similar kind of approach we should follow in say in writing the reply letters. So these are some of the hints for the reply letter writing. Now the kinds of offers would be firm offer, prices current, voluntary offer, substitution offer, await for delivery. So these are the kinds of offers. Now let us see how the reply is to be given. The first letter in enquiry letter we had made is about the Kane furniture. Now we will write the answer for that letter or reply for that letter. Here the letter is written by Messrs. Shinde Decorators, 45 Sanket Complex, PB Road, Belgaum, and date is 1st February 2020. To whom we are writing is to Mahesh Kumar, Pavan Housing Society, 15/18 RK Nagar, Belgaum. Respected sir, subject Kane furniture quotations. Here we should thank and tell that I am happy to receive your letter showing interest in our Kane furniture. We have a wide range of Kane furniture which I am sure will suit your requirements. Then in second paragraph we are including I am enclosing the catalog and price list, and you will find that our products are very reasonable for the quality products we offer. You will be interested to know that all our products are being sold at 50% less than the price mentioned in the catalog, as the festival sale is on till March 1, 2020. So next is I look forward to a positive reply from you, and the sooner we get your response, the faster we can deliver your order. So here we are thanking by telling that we are happy that you are interested in our products. Then we are telling we are having wide range of products, and we are informing them that we are enclosing the catalog and price list which you are inquiring, and we are also telling that we are giving 15% offer, and the offer duration also we are mentioning that it will be applicable till 1st March 2020. And then we are telling them that we are looking forward for your positive reply, and the sooner we get your response, the faster we can deliver the goods. So this is how the letter is written. Then thanking you, yours faithfully, signature of the manager, and enclosures we need to write what all things we are enclosing along with that or along with that letter. So this is the first reply for the first enquiry letter. We shall stop here in this class. In tomorrow's class we shall see the rest things. If you have any doubts and questions, you can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Till then, thank you. Good day.